Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Phillips One Blade Face razor trimmer all-in-one or whatever it is. Abu gave me this as a present, so thank you Abu Bakr for, well, you could say he sponsored this video, I guess. But yeah, thank you Abu Bakr for giving me this. I appreciate it. So I don't know exactly how much this goes for. I think about 20, 30, 40, I don't know. I really don't know. But I believe they're over 20. Yeah, let's have a look. So it comes like a lime green packaging, lime green design. It's very nice actually. Okay, so trim, edge and shave any length of hair. Stubble comb, so that's your stubble comb. I don't know how you choose the length though. Okay, yeah. 45 minutes you can use it for. Is the battery on or is it chargeable? No, I think it might be batteries. Okay. So you can trim, gives an even trim from 1mm to 5mm. Or you could use the edge. Dual-sided edge blade creates the perfect sharp lines. And you can do not too comfortable, okay. Fast moving cutter, okay. Glide coating and rounded tips are designed to protect your skin. Okay, so 2 years warranty as well, which is not bad. Okay, how the fuck do I open this? Okay guys, bear with me 1 second, I got one hand. Okay, looks like there's something here, like maybe a sticker, so let me just take these stickers off. Okay, so there's 4 pieces of tape all the way around. Simply opens like that. Here you go, 50% off. Placement blade. Okay, that's all your tips and tricks. Oh, it's got a wear indicator. A green bar starts to appear when the highly visible. Okay, what's that green? Oh, it is chargeable. Well, this is a US style adapter, so that's a bit aids. Gonna have to find one of them US ones. Alright, I got disturbed, so I have to move somewhere else. Okay, so you got 2 attachments in the box there, and then one at the front there, so you got 3 attachments. So this is number 5mm, 1mm and 3mm, I believe. Yep, and that's your normal blade. That does not give you a clean shave though, like a 0. It's not 0, you'll have a bit of stubble left. And this is like a blade protector. So what you do is open this. 1 second, it's hard with one hand. There you go. Put that in there. See that this way. Yes, there you go. Lock in place. Blade protector. Don't know why you need that though. Oh yeah, it's there. Okay. Now to put one of these attachments on. Okay. Not sure I'm gonna show you this. I need a cameraman. Let's see. Alright, that's how you put the blade on. The number should be facing the back, and your ejection sign is there. It should be facing that way with this on. The comb, so all you do is literally lift it onto it. It clicks in place, you'll hear it. Can you hear that? Have a listen. Literally clicks in place. That's how you do the blades. And if this blade gets worn out, it'll go green at the top. So what you do is press this ejection button, lift it out, put a new blade in, and literally just pop it in. 1 second. There you go. Simple as that. And that's it on, and you get 45 minutes use time, and it takes 8 hours to charge. And yeah, don't know how I'm going to use that yet, but apparently that's a UK one. It's a UK bathroom one, but obviously I don't have them kind of plugs in my bathroom, so where to see it. UK 2-pin bathroom plug. So you can use it wet or dry. 8 hour charge is 45 minutes of use. 3 click on stubble combs, okay. And durable one blade, lasts up to 4 months. So the blade will last about 4 months. It's not bad. I guess. Thank you all back for sending me this. And thank you guys for watching. I might make a tutorial on how to use it on your face. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.